Hello.
Oh god. So we are in our survival world.
This is totally survival and there is no cheats. As you can see.
See, nothing.
Yes.
And this is a Caves and Cliffs update.
I think so.
Yeah, it is. It's 1.8.1.
Uh
We have no torches. Oh god. Do you consider the possibility that there are many mobs here? Okay. Yeah. Oh, when did we get coal? Oh, there was coal there. Oh, there's some iron ore. Mine it.
uh I need to turn on the dynamic system.
Dynamic lights. It's not there. See, we tried last time. It's not there. Performance. Yeah. See, there's nothing. Particles. Nothing. This plays the torches, man.
This is problem.
Okay. Place the torch. Yeah. Now mine all the iron.
We even need it.
Dude, place the torches. There are mobs around.
I can see everything
We have an
clearly.
iron sword over here, and you do not want to risk dying, okay? Just place the torches.
This is the end of the cave.
We can mine down and get caves and cliffs. Just place the torch, man. Place the torch. You know I'm a scaredy cat. Okay, we have a lot of coal. Take it. Why do you like avoiding the coal? Dude, take the coal. We need it. You also avoided the iron ore. A lot of it.
Yes.
Why?
Why?
Why? That's what I'm asking.
No.
We're only getting stone at this point, and our pickaxe is running out. Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh,
Is this caves and cliffs? Deep slate. There's a lot of material back in the cave, like iron ore.
oh, oh my god.
Why do we leave the torch? We don't need the. What?
I'm scared of it.
So take the torch. Common knowledge. Okay, this is definitely caves and cliffs. I know it. I've been in caves and cliffs a lot. In my creative world, of course, never in survival. Mine all the
Diamonds,
ore.
I need diamonds.
Are there diamonds in caves and cliffs? My caves and cliffs ore is not so good.
Do you have a crafting table? No.
You left it.
Uh,
Okay. Mind that.
what?
I have no idea. It seems like a no. That was light. Okay, so these are basically lights, caves and cliffs. Or this is not caves and cliffs, and we are very low on lore.
Where? Diamonds. Oh, yes,
And
yes,
we
yes, 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 yes.
amethyst. We found amethyst. Oh my god.
Oh my god. I can't believe.
This amethyst is my favorite block. Ask him. Ask anybody. Everyone knows my favorite block is amethyst.
Oh my god, this is so rare.
This is literally my dream. Finding amethyst in survival mode.
I'll just take a screenshot so later on I'll just mine all of this and make a house
Yeah.
of it.
Take a screenshot. I want to
Oh,
remember this moment. Wait, wait,
I
wait.
took it.
Wait, is that red? The
See this.
what the? Wait,
Oh, there are
did
bats.
You might
This
want to
brand.
first take the screenshot, please, please.
I took it.
Okay. But of the coordinates.
Yes.
Then take a normal screenshot. I want to see this. I love amethyst. I love to laugh. Hello.
Guys, let's take a screenshot first.
Yeah.
Sorry. So
You took one.
I took 11.
Those are.
Oh my, these are first goals. Just see the advancement.
Oh my god, gold. This is like what we are doing this in like I guess 10 minutes and we found gold.
Yes.
From wood to gold in 10 minutes. Is that
What's that glowing right there?
don't go there. Don't go there. First let's take the there was something moving.
Oh, there are. What's that?
Soul fire.
Ah, yeah. Oh my god, there's so much gold.
Dude, I just told you there's a lot of gold here. But I'm pretty sure I saw something moving. Oh my god, we couldn't find. I'm pretty sure we can't find diamonds today, but we found so much gold.
Gold is precious. Precious.
People say old is gold. We say gold is okay. It's not old. Gold is gold. Yeah, gold is gold. We can agree on that.
Okay.
Dude, go back to the amethyst mine thingy. I love amethyst. Like in real life too, amethyst is a precious beryl. It's not a beryl. I just like to call it a beryl. Beryls are very different. You see. What are you doing? I don't get this. How are you getting this redstone torch thingy? How are you doing it? We are low on wood and our pickaxe is gonna break pretty soon. I think we should get out of here right now.
See if anything's there.
We should get out of here. We are low on the pickaxe, dude. It's gonna break and we need to get back to store all this material. We have okay, yeah, we have crafting. Good. Okay, with crafting we can make a stone pickaxe. That's good. Yeah, we'll make a furnace. This is the best part of caves and cliffs. I love caves and cliffs. There are. Oh, wait. If we had a lava bucket, this would happen in like what 10 seconds. We should stay in the light. Okay, we have one iron ingot, guys. One iron ingot. That sounds horrible. Yeah. Don't get killed, please. We have a diamond sword, and there's a lot of diamond gold over here. We might find diamond. This is good.
Oh my.
I can't see anything. What's going on?
Diamonds!
Place the torch. This is the luckiest day of my life. I love this day. And we have amethyst, literally an amethyst mine. This is like.
Oh my god.
Don't try not to get killed, please.
I'll show my pro skills.
Dude, don't. Warriors die due to this. Your speed bridging skills are slow these days, I guess. I presume.
So.
Oh yeah, I see it. We don't have fortune 2. If we had that, like, we would be rich. We are out of deep slate. We're gonna mine this place, man. We have the coordinates. We're gonna just come and just.
Oh, no.
Oh god. Oh god.
I just got scared.
Everyone got scared. Oh god.
I just got a heart attack.
We have the coordinates, right?
Yes.
That's
Oh.
great. That's great. Okay, we are gonna come here and mine this place, right? All the ore. We're gonna get the amethyst ore. We're gonna be. This is the best day of our lives. Okay, not really, but Minecraft best Minecraft day. Yeah.
But if we were there, this was the worst.
We're gonna
day.
take. Yeah. We're gonna take the deep slate. we're gonna come here and mine everything. Literally, we're gonna make obsidian from the lava. We're just gonna.
Uh,
I love caves and cliffs. Caves and
let's
cliffs is
just take
awesome.
where's our
Furnace.
yes.
Furnace, I think was. Okay, so
Yeah.
okay, so I guess that means that we got all of our we got the ingots. Take the coal. We are gonna need it. Take the coal. We got the
Okay.
coal.
Yes.
Take the crafting table. First craft.
Need a pickaxe. We are rich.
Also, in the crafting table, open the crafting table. Don't break it. Open it. I have something to do. Okay. Wait a second. I'm gonna make coal blocks. They are faster in the furnace.
Oh yeah.
It's like using a lava bucket. Wait a second. No moment. What the? Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Okay, we got it and more coal. We only got one block, so like, not so good.
I forgot where the diamond was. Just kidding.
We're gonna mine this place, man. We're just gonna like, boom. This is awesome. Hey, do you have the gold? Open the inventory.
Yes, I have.
Why could you not? We can smelt gold, right?
Yeah.
So why did you not smelt it first? We need more coal, and we're not definitely not gonna find any coal over here. So smooth basalt. On the way up, I think we should mine more coal. We're gonna need a lot of it because we have a ton to smelt. What happened? Oh, no. This is literally like I don't know, bread. This is like a Hypixel. Don't use the amethyst, okay? It's a very the rarest block. I would like to say it's not, but according to me, yeah. Take the water bucket. Wait. I think we should make a bed over here. We can use this crater as a new base, right? But we don't have wool. No, wait. Take the diamond first. Yes. Yeah, we don't have fortune, so we are stuck with one. It's okay. It's okay for now. There's no more. Wait. Do you have take the coordinates of this location? Place a block. 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 Place. I don't know why I'm speaking. Place. Don't die. Yeah.
You just go back to the village.
Wait. No. Wait.